For the 100 Days Reading Campaign, I, Avika Acharya, shall be reading an extract from Our Tree Neighbors. How to recognize trees. All trees have something in common. They have roots, trunks, leaves, produce wood and provide for offspring by reproductive structures in the form of flowers, cones, fruits and seeds. This does not mean that all of them are alike. Many of them differ to such an extent that they can be recognized at first sight from other trees. We all are able to tell just by sight at least one or two trees, even when they are not flowering. Several others, however, need closer study before we are able to recognize them as one species or the other. To know all of more than 1,500 different kinds of trees native to our country, one has to be a botanist who precisely names every kind of tree he finds, whether it is useful or not. To the casual observer, a tree is simply a tree. How then is it possible for one who is interested to recognize each species? One can become skilled in identifying trees if he goes about the task in a scientific fashion. There are many individual features of trees, such as, let us say, the size, number and curvature of the branches. But these are of little value in recognition because they are not identical in all trees of a species. The secret to know what features to look for and which ones are reliable guides to a tree's identity. We can call these the identification tags of a tree. This means that you must develop the scientist's habit of careful observation of details which might be overlooked by a hit or miss approach.